Hi, I'm Melinda Cant, and this is Jordan Williams, and we're with the OSU Department of Environmental Science. Now, Jordan, what are some important things to consider with septic tank general maintenance?
So general maintenance can start even before you actually get your septic system installed. It would be to get your system installed by a certified installer. A list of certified installers can be found on the Oklahoma Department of Environmental Quality website, and it'll have all the certified installers in your area. Another thing you can do would be to routinely check and make sure that there's no ponding or any backflow or any waste coming out of your tank's lid or anything like that, making sure that your yard doesn't have any weird smells. Another big thing would have it inspected once per year. That's typically the rule of thumb, and then have it pumped once every 3 years. This is just to avoid an over-excess buildup of solids that could lead to a clog, which also could lead to backflow or a crack in the tank, any sort of breakage, and then you would have to call a certified service provider to come and repair your tank, or possibly even have to purchase a whole new tank due to that situation. For more information, please visit septicsystems.okstate.edu.